subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kolade Graphics design channel. It's great having you here. In this video, I will be teaching you guys how you can create a mockup design using photopia.com. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, do well by clicking on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So like I said earlier, we will be creating a mockup logo with our photopia.com. So we will be moving to our browser now to the site named Photopia. The site is Photopia. So this is the particular site. As you can see, Photopia is a mockup site that you can use to create any mockup design you want to create. If you want to create the mockup logo, whether a text, a vase, you can create all these things on this site. You can bring in your PSD template to create anything you want to create using an external template, or you can still rather use you can use the template from the site. The site is designed with different templates. So let's check after pressing on the template. So the template will be showing now. We are having a bad network. Looking at this, these are some templates we have on Photopia. There are different templates available on Photopia with beautiful mockup designs. You will be getting beautiful mockup designs once you bring in your logo on this template. There are many templates. We have mockups, mobile web, print, product. You can mock up your product. You can create a mockup for your product, social media mockup, YouTube mockup. You can create a business card mockup. You can create animation in this particular site. The site is a very effective site for creating a mockup design. But in today's video, I will be using this particular PSD 3D glass window. This is the particular PSD I'll be using in creating the mockup design. So let's click on this. So after clicking on this is what we will be having. So you click on this link. You click on this particular link, photopia.com #TS4DNBQGN. That is the link you'll be clicking on. So you click on the link. Once you click on the link, there will be a new page. A new page will open on your browser. Then you wait for the template to load. You wait some little while. Most times it takes time depending on the RAM of your phone. So if you have if your phone is a kind of a spacious phone that contains more RAMs, it will be fast compared to small RAMs phone. So we will be waiting till the template is loading. Since the template is loading rather. We are still waiting. The template is still loading, so we have to wait.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never stop.
We have to wait till the template has appeared, so we have to wait.
Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens.
So as you can see, the template is now available on our screen. The template is now it has been loaded. So looking at this now, to change the design on the template on this mockup, so we'll be clicking on this. So once you click on this, you have this new pop-up menu. So you click on this. Once. You click on it once. After clicking on it, so you double click. After double clicking it, you can see we have another new template. So on this eye logo here, beside the T logo, you click on the eye logo to make the logo on that template to make it invisible. So you click on the eye logo. The logo is now invisible. So you click on file here. On the left hand side here, you click on file. We'll be having this new pop-up menu, new, open and place, and so on like that. So you click on open and place to import your own logo. So you locate your own logo from your gallery. So once you click on the design you want to import into it, as you can see, the design is now available. So you make sure the design is in the middle, very well placed in the middle. So after you must have placed it very well in the middle of the template, you click on file again. So you click on save smart object. So this might take a little time as well. So you wait a little while till the object has been saved as smart object.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just
We're still waiting.
keep my head up when I act.
So as you can see now, we have a new pop-up menu that instantly disappears from the screen, which says the object has been saved as smart object. So after that has been saved as smart object, you click on your former template here. You click on it to return to the former template. So we will have to wait a little bit for this too, because of the problem of the phone. The problem of a small gram phone. If you are using a big phone that has a big gram phone, this thing will be fast more than this, or probably you are using a system. We are still waiting for this to appear on our former interviews. Keep following the video. As you can see now, this is the logo on the screen. You can see now this is the logo we imported from our gallery to the template. You can see the logo has been changed. So looking at this now, we have changed the logo. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell for more amazing videos. So after the logo on the template must have changed like this, you click on file again. So after clicking on file, you can see we have a save as PSD, save most, export as. So to save our work, we click on export as. You click on PNG, you export it as PNG in order to have a clear and a standard resolution image. You save your work as a PNG. So after that, you are seeing this. So there are some things you can still do here. So you click on save. If you want to change the width and the height of the logo, you can still change it here. You can change the name for the file. So I will be using the format, the default width and height for this. So you click on save. So you can see our file must have been downloaded. So looking at this is the mockup logo we just created using the photopia.com.